What if I told you that in 2025, students can start making real money online without spending a single dollar? No investment. No scammy tricks. Just smart, proven methods. And today, I'm revealing the top 3 ways students can earn online in 2025. These are real, practical, and working right now. But here's the twist: most people still don't know about them. So if you're watching this, you already have an edge. Here's a question for you. Would you rather work 3 hours at a cafe or 1 hour online and make the same money? If your answer is obvious, keep watching. Because you're about to learn how students are replacing part-time jobs with online gigs. And yes, it works even if you're a complete beginner. So, are you ready? Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let's dive in. Way number 1. Freelancing with AI skills. In 2025, freelancing has exploded. But not the traditional way. AI is now your partner. You don't need to code. You don't need years of design training. AI tools can handle the heavy lifting. Your job? Offer services people already pay for. Like writing blogs, designing social posts, creating resumes, or even making short videos. Clients don't care if AI helps you. They care about results. And results, AI delivers fast. Here's a trick. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Search for resume writing or social media design. See what people charge. Then, with free AI tools, you can deliver better, faster. That's your competitive edge. And yes, students are already pulling in $500 plus a month like this. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Way number 2. Content creation with AI help. Now wait, before you roll your eyes. I'm not talking about becoming a full-time YouTuber overnight. I'm talking short-form content. Reels. TikToks. YouTube Shorts. This is where the money is flowing in 2025. And here's the secret. You don't even need to show your face. AI voiceovers? Done. AI video clips? Done. AI subtitles? Done. Imagine this. You create one short video in 10 minutes. Post it. It gets 10,000 views. With brand sponsorships or ad revenue, that's money. And unlike a job, that content keeps earning while you sleep. Want an example? Students are making faceless channels about travel, motivation, or tech. Each short video earns a stream of passive income. That's smarter than trading time for money. Because content is an asset. And once it's online, it works for you 24/7. Curious? Stick around till the end, because I'll share the exact AI tool that helped me make $100. Way number 3. Online tutoring and micro courses. Yes, tutoring is old school. But here's the 2025 upgrade. You don't need to be a professor. You just need to know something a beginner doesn't. Good at English? Teach it online. Good at Canva design? Sell a micro course. Even simple math tutoring works. And here's the best part. AI helps you create lesson plans in minutes. It can even generate practice quizzes. So you spend less time preparing and more time teaching. Platforms like Preply, Superprof, or even your own TikTok can get you students. And once you've taught live a few times, turn it into a recorded micro course. Sell it again and again. That's recurring income. No extra effort. Smart, right? Now, let me pause here. If you're enjoying this so far, smash that like button. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI money wave, hit subscribe and click the bell. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Let's recap quickly. 3 best ways students can make money online in 2025 without investment. 1. Freelancing with AI skills. 2. Content creation with faceless shorts. 3. Tutoring and micro courses. Each of these can be started today. Each of these needs zero upfront cost. And each has the potential to replace a part-time job. But remember, information is useless without action. So don't just watch. Pick one. And start this week. Even if it's small. Because the internet rewards action takers, not dreamers. Now I promised you something special. The exact tool that made me $100. Here it is. Pictory AI, for faceless content creation. This tool helps you turn text into videos. You don't need to show your face. You don't need editing skills. And it's free to start. That's how I turned scripts into short videos. Posted them. And one of them brought me my first $100. Imagine repeating that 10 times. Or 50 times. That's real online income. And the best part? Anyone can do it. Yes, even you. So here's your challenge. Pick one of the 3 methods today. Freelancing, content creation, or tutoring. Set up your profile, or post your first short, or teach your first lesson. Just one action, and you're on your way. Still watching? Good. That means you're serious. And serious people get results. Here's one more tip. Consistency beats talent. Post one short every day. Or apply to one freelance gig every day. Or reach out to one student every day. Do that for 30 days, and your results will shock you. Now let's make this fun. Comment below. Which of the 3 methods are you going to try first? Freelancing? Content creation? Or tutoring? I'll reply to as many comments as I can. And maybe even share extra tips with you. Oh, and before I forget, tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Turn on the bell. So you're the first to see it. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, let's wrap this up. You've learned the 3 best ways students can make money online in 2025, without investment. Freelancing with AI skills. Content creation with faceless shorts. Tutoring and micro courses. And you've discovered the exact tool that made me $100. Now it's your turn. Quick reminder. Success online doesn't come from watching. It comes from starting. Even if you're not perfect. Even if you feel nervous. Take that first step. Because 6 months from now, you'll thank yourself. And hey, if you found value today, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It tells me to make more videos like this. And it helps more students discover these opportunities. Final words? Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until after exams. Or after graduation. Start now. Because the internet is moving fast. And the people who take action early are the ones who win. So go. Pick your method. Take action today. And build your online income. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. And I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Remember, tomorrow's video is the one that changes everything. Don't miss it. Oh, and one last thing. Drop a fire in the comments if you made it this far. So I know who the real action takers are. Stay sharp. Stay consistent. And stay ahead of the crowd. I'm out. But your journey starts now. Subscribe. Click the bell. Take action. And I'll see you tomorrow. This is your year. Let's make it happen.